Hi lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. Let me share with you how I made this delicious fish creamy pasta. So in a frying pan, I added vegetable oil for making the sauce because I'll be grilling the fish, okay? So what you are seeing here is blended pepperoni, that is bell peppers, onion and ginger. I blended them together. So I'll be stir frying it now to prepare for sauce, okay? Then I added salt and fish spices, okay? I will also add 1 nut cube for seasoning. So I will stir fry and allow to fry for more 5 minutes before setting it aside to chill, okay? So lovelies, let me share with you what came about this meal. I was craving for barbecue and also for creamy pasta. I got confused. I don't know which one to prepare again. So I decided to prepare the both, okay? So that's how it came about. So I will set it aside to chill now because it's ready. Over here, I've washed the fish very well. I'm using my crayfish. It's already washed with clean water and salt. And you can see the way I cut it. I cut the side and remove the every shit and yama in it and the top because I wanted to grill inside it too. So I went ahead to massage it with the sauce. Okay, I also applied salt. You can apply salt before adding the sauce. So I make sure that I apply the sauce also inside the fish because I want the fish to taste very yummy and delicious. Okay, shout out to all my newest subscribers. You guys are welcome to the family, and to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. I appreciate you guys so much. Okay, so after massaging it, I wrap it with the lining or parchment paper. You can wrap it with foil too, but I don't like using foil because my husband doesn't like it. So I grilled it for 30 minutes on 300 degrees Celsius. So the water for cooking the pasta has been boiling, and then add the pasta and stir it so it will not stick to the pot, okay? And then add salt. Stir and cover to cook for 20 minutes because the pasta is this strong. So this is 20 minutes, it's all done now. I'll now save it out. Over to the frying pan, I added vegetable oil. I added the diced onion, grated ginger and garlic. I will saute it for a few minutes and then add the fresh tomatoes. Lovelies, if you've watched to this moment and you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free, okay? So I stir fry the tomatoes for 10 minutes and then add the vegetables. This is bell peppers, the green, yellow and the red, okay? So I'll now stir fry it for 5 minutes and then go ahead to spice it up with salt, curry, mixed spices combined of dry pepper and herbs seed, okay? And then some pepper flakes. Guys, tell me, have you tried this combo before? If you've not, try it and thank me later. Seriously, I was eating it and singing like I feel like I'm in the heaven. That's what the song means, okay? So I scoop out some sauce that we'll use for garnishing the fish and then add the cream. This is cream, okay? So I will stir fry it for 5 minutes and then it's all ready. I'll now go ahead to add the pasta. I will now stir well for the pasta to meet and integrate and digest with the sauce, the cream and the vegetables every okay? If they can go ahead to marry each other, that would be very nice. Guys, I hope you guys are enjoying my video. Please too, okay? So this is 30 minutes. The oven has stopped and I went ahead to check the fish and it's all ready. Ta-da! And yeah, our barbecue creamy pasta is all ready. Look at me here struggling to taste the fish and the fish is already bringing out bone for me. Seriously, I don't understand the fish. So guys, let's test it. You can see it's well grilled. The inside is well grilled. You can see how it's looking. My son wants to taste too. Mamma mia, this tastes heavenly. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.